Very warm good evening to all of you. I have been observing the indefatigable energy of our energetic power minister, and I must compliment him for it. Sir, you mentioned today that 5,542 villages have been electrified. So during the day today, you tweeted 5537. So I think during the day another 5 have happened. Congratulations. My compliments to you for implementing Uday in a record time. For the people who were here last year, and we discussed on the woes of the power sector, and the main problem was the generation and especially the coal segment. At that time also we had discussed, and we had taken a majority opinion that DISCOM reforms were required. Not only has the coal segment been turned around, but as the power minister said, now there is a surplus coal and people are begging to stop the supplies of coal. This year has seen highest coal production, highest increase in transmission capacity, and there is huge amount of pluses that are happening. And honestly, sir, when we stood before you last year, though we were optimistic, we did not feel it could happen. And thanks to you, thanks to your colleagues, thanks to the bureaucracy, thanks to everybody in the power sector, you all have made it happen. And again, I recall my closing remarks last year where I said that for the first time we see that the government is working hand in hand with the bureaucrats, and rather than criticizing each other, they are praising each other. And I think the results are there, evident in front of us, where we are getting huge amount of output, where we are getting huge amount of outlay from this power sector, which was hitherto called Bimaru. During the day today, we have talked about power, and a few words have been noted by me: quality power, clean power, sustainable power, affordable power, available power, accessible power. I liked Shri Piyush Goyal's statement that the power sector is the fulcrum of the growth of the country. It makes us proud to be part of this segment, where on our shoulders, able or otherwise, rests the responsibility for the growth of the organization. Sir, you were with us last week during Elekrama in Bangalore, and I'm sure you must have observed for yourself that the electrical industry of India is ready for whatever challenges you throw to it. We are Make in India, Skill India, Digital India, as well as the renewable energy segment is ready for you. IPDS, Uday, DDU, GJY, all these schemes are assured of success with the partnership of the central government, the state governments, and most importantly, the industry. Sir, from the industry side, I had extended to you even last week the hand of friendship, the hand of assurance that we are wanting, willing, and able to partner with the government. Here, the focal point, sir, is the state governments, where you would have to help in getting this bond together. And I'm sure with your able support, with the motivation that we are seeing within the state governments, with the new Uday scheme, which has been launched in a record time from conception to signatures of 17 states. It's something that is really commendable, and something that I'm sure the power sector will always thank you for, even in the decades to come. The reduction of AT&C losses is a big threat to the industry, to the entire country, And I'm sure that the deliberations today will further show a path as to how we can further reduce these losses. We discussed today in one of the panels as to what we would like to discuss in the year 2019. And the answer came up that in the year 2019, we should not be talking about power to all, because we presume power to all would have already been done. We would be talking as to how to take technology to the next level, how we would take the country to the next level. And I'm sure that under the able leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and his able, young, energetic team, we all look forward to a bright, energetic, powerful, and sustainable tomorrow. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind hearing and patience. I know you're very tired. I won't take more of your time. Thank you, everybody. Please do join us for dinner. And great being with all of you today. Thank you very much.